To troubleshoot Fifth Third Bank online banking, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the latest browser version. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies, as outdated information can cause issues with your online banking session. If you are having trouble logging in, verify that your username and password are correct. Make sure your caps lock is turned off, as passwords are case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. If you are still having trouble, try using a different browser or device to rule out any issues with your current setup. You can also try disabling any browser extensions that may be interfering with your online banking session. For issues with specific features, such as bill pay or transfers, check the Fifth Third Bank website for any scheduled maintenance or outages. You can also refer to the online banking user guide for step-by-step instructions on how to use these features. If none of these steps resolve your issue, contact Fifth Third Bank customer support for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue or provide additional guidance on how to use the online banking system. When contacting customer support, have your account information and a detailed description of the issue ready. This will help the representative to quickly identify the problem and provide a solution. Remember to always prioritize your account security when troubleshooting online banking issues. Never share your login credentials or account information with anyone, and be cautious of phishing scams or other online threats. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and easily troubleshoot common issues with Fifth Third Bank online banking and get back to managing your finances with confidence.